Hey guys, what's up? So, you want your line across your screen, like to separate let's say you have like some words up here, and then you have a line, and you have more words down here, because you think that would look nice. But you don't want to use like anything in CSS, because sometimes this just works better and faster. So all you have to do is, let's just, yeah, that's good. And then HR. That's it. And then here, do more. And then it's good. What I would recommend, if you have a display flex, I was just researching this. Jeez, display flex. It won't do it. It'll just put the stuff to the right of the screen, therefore making one of these bars. I don't know why that goes like that, but it does. So just beware of using some of the CSS behavior things, but it's usually meant for this line right here. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.